Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make Malaga cake. Smooth chocolate ganache. Staple ingredients you find in your cupboards. And a hint of fruit and nuts. What more could you want? Right, let's get cracking. Start by adding 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 200 grams of sugar to a mixing bowl. Whisk them all together. Next, sift in 35 grams of cocoa powder, 20 grams of tapioca starch, 200 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then whisk away. Add some cooking spray to a baking dish and pour in your cake mix. Spreading it out evenly. Then bake in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. Watch it rise. While that's baking, add 200 millilitres of heavy cream to a pot. Bring it to the boil and add in 200 grams of dark chocolate. Mix it until all the chocolate has melted. Add in 20 grams of butter and take it off the heat. Next, add 200 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch and 200 grams of sugar to a pot. Mix those together and add in 2 egg yolks and 500 millilitres of milk. Add in a little at first, mixing it in the middle, and then pour in the remaining milk, plus 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now mix that together and heat until thickened. Once it's ready, add in 50 grams of butter and mix until it melts. Now remove that from the heat. Get your chocolate cake and pry it away from the sides of the dish. Next, using a fork, we're going to poke small holes on the entire surface of the cake. Then spoon on 150 millilitres of milk so it seeps into the holes, adding wonderful moisture to the cake. Now spoon on your custard. Spreading it out to a nice thin layer. Add on some chopped bananas and coat in chocolate ganache. Once everything is covered, we can add some chopped hazelnuts and pistachio. Chill that for 30 minutes. And your Malaga Cake Delight is ready to enjoy. Simply cut a slice and serve. Just wonderful.